Friends, today we are going to discuss your worksheet number 89 for the date 22nd Feb. We are going to revise the chapter tissue revision starting. Group of cells similar in structure and performing one function at a particular place in the body of an organism is called tissue. So the cells which are performing a similar function and present at a one place are called tissue. We are dividing tissue in two types. One is meristematic tissue having the dividing capability and the another is the permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue are of three types: apical, intercalary and lateral. Permanent are simple and complex. Plant tissue are of two types: meristematic, they have the ability to grow and divide, and permanent. So when we say apical meristem, these are located in the growing tip of root and shoot and increase in the length of the plant. Intercalary, these are located in the nodes and internode, growing new branches and leaves, and later these are responsible for increasing the girth of the stem. So the cells of meristematic tissue lack vacuoles, for no hindrance in the cell division. Permanent tissue, when meristematic tissue lose the ability to divide and take upon specific function, they become permanent. There are two kinds: simple and complex. Simple permanent are of three types: parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. So on the basis of this, we have to answer these questions. First, when we say assertion and reason questions, on cutting the root tip of an onion bulb, the root stop growing. Apical meristem in the root tip is responsible for the increase in the root growth. So this is the correct. We will write the A option. Both are correct and R is the correct explanation. Collenchyma tissue in aquatic plant has large air space between the cells. Wrong. It is the parenchyma which is present in the form of arenchyma. The large air gaps among cells provide buoyancy to the plant for the floating. This is correct. So we will write D option. Sclerenchyma tissue are very hard and stiff. This is correct. And cells of sclerenchyma tissue are made up of cement-like material called lignin. So these both statements are correct. A and R true. And these sclerenchyma tissue are hard because of the presence of this lignin. So you can write A option. Draw a diagram showing position of three kinds of meristematic tissue and mention their function. So in NCERT, one diagram is given like this, in which the apical meristem is shown, then between the nodes it is shown, and the lateral meristem is shown. That diagram you can draw. Name the simple permanent tissue that have large gaps. So the large gaps are present in parenchyma. Very little gaps are present in collenchyma, and no gaps are present in sclerenchyma. So you can write from here parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Hope you like the explanation of worksheet. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.